Hello and welcome to another video of WordPress course for beginners. In this video I will show you what are other websites that are offering free hosting for your WordPress website. There are some cons as well as some disadvantages for using these websites. So the first one is infinityfree.net. So here you can make your WordPress website for free, but there are definitely some disadvantages as well. You can see this is free hosting as well as premium hosting, and but they are saying fastest free hosting, 99.9% uptime. They are offering unlimited hosting, host any domain, and no postage and completely free. But what is disadvantages? You will get subdomain. That is, this is domain, but you will get a subdomain. This is like this site. So this is my site name, and this is subdomain, and this is the platform where my website is hosted. So you don't have your own domain in this case. You simply need to sign up now and fill this form, create new account, and you are ready to go. The second website is a Workspace, and they are also offering both free and premium services. Click on free hosting, and similarly you need to register your account here. After registering your account, you will get started. And the another one, and I use this personally as well, this is byte.host. They are offering paid hosting as well as free hosting. So click here, free hosting, and free hosting plans. Here you will get all the information about their plans. And now sign up for a plan. Okay, and what they said, this is your domain .bytehost.com. So this is the disadvantage of using free web hosting, and you need to fill this form to register yourself. The another is cloudaccess.net. Simply your site name, what I say, DG skills extra dot, so this is my subdomain, okay, and dot cloud access dot host. If I click launch for free, and this domain is available as well. You need to register. I have already, and then you can start choosing this website as well. So this is my account. I have not actually I have an website with Joomla, but they removed. I don't know why. You can make your site there as well. And the another is 000webhost.com. They are also offering two ways web hosting, free and premium. Of course, with premium you will get benefits, and with free you will get subdomain. These are the plans. Free web hosting, they are offering one website, 300 MB disk space, limited bandwidth of 3 GB, no email account, and no support as well. There is single shared hosting plan as well as premium shared hosting and business shared hosting, starting with 39.19 per month. So I have already account here. Click sign in, and you can sign up your account similarly as you did as I told you in previous websites. Click, and I'm just giving you an example how the dashboard looks like. This is a simple page that I have created on this, and I need this, and this is the dashboard. You can create new site from here. Not know if you want to go premium, then go for that. Create new site. I think okay, I have only one website allowed in free. Okay, so I can't create a new one. So this is just the overview of these are 5 websites where you can get your free web hosting for your WordPress website. For more videos, subscribe my channel, like and share video, and I will make a new video. Thank you.